Happy feet, wobble combo, that ain't
Say, I'm hungry. I'm gonna go get food. I'm gonna get a snack. Woohoo! Hello, I would like a snack.
Would everyone shut up in here? I'm trying to watch corn. Jeez.
Yo, Cole, Thor. Dick bash, coconuts.
Wow, that's really deep in there.
Damn.
That's what she said.
Fish, I'm out.
Bye-bye.
Oh,
Shit,
I don't want to stay here.
Fudge this shit, I'm out. No thanks.
I'm gonna moonwalk my bitch out of here. Boom, 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 boom.
Okay, so we're here to find some tools to get Mario's thing out of the fridge. So I want you guys to be on your best behavior. You hear me?
Can't make me do shit.
I have a question.
Oh, look, an
Well, he's gone.
arcade.
Yes?
I have a question. Is it? Can I go to Spencer's?
Fine.
Yay!
Go.
But don't go into the back
Any
of
questions?
the park.
Can I commit arson?
No.
Can I play in this arcade where
Oh my
it
God.
stores the game Sonic the Hedgehog?
Just shut up! Just do what you want.
Woo!
Dun, dun, dun. Fatality. I
Auto park. Ow!
I like the back of Spencer's pit,
Hmm.
okay? I like the back of Spencer's pit.
Amazing burp.
Yeah, I'm sure there would
I
be
like
something
it
here.
when I said back of Spencer's, because you don't know
A mouse.
where
Thinking what I'm thinking?
it happens.
Don't do it.
I'm stealing this. I'm stealing it.
Oh.
Okay, I thought you were gonna search up corn. Well, I'm
Oh, yeah,
relieved.
I forgot to do that.
Shit.
Overthrow the government? I think so.
Egg.
So are you gonna pick or what?
Well, you know, I'm just gonna pick the blue. I'm just gonna pick the blue one. It's because it's my favorite color. Well, yeah.
That'll be $299.
299? Jesus. Well, you know what? I still sure do have a billion coin. I still do have a billion coin.
Sweet mother of pearl! Yes, this dress is perfect. It fit me perfectly. Oh, this dress is even better. It's red. Oh shit!
We not gotten copyrighted. We actually did get a warning though. They said that.
I shouldn't have gone back
Does
there.
anybody want a shawarma?
Hello and welcome to
What's in the back of there?
I think it's a taco place. Oh well. What can I get for you?
Can I get the whole menu?
Okay.
Dance revolution! I'm gonna go get a drink of water real quick.
Man.
Oh
take
no!
the snowman. It's like plastic, but oh well. Get this kid
Oh
out
my
of my.
god, it's Oscar Langley Soryu from the hit anime.
Okay, I guess.
I can't seem to find it.
You have to use one hand. You know I'm too lazy. Okay, we're just gonna be in pain.
There's a dead alien in there.
Yo, 4.
Holy
What?
tits! Aliens!
Okay, I guess I'll take the and there's the stuff.
Why is it in the fruits?
I don't know why it was in the fruits actually.
Barney, what are you doing?
Don't even
Everybody
think
do
about
what?
it.
I'm shopping.
Don't even think about
Oh,
breaking my guitar.
Well, I'm working.
Ew, no.
How about you go shop? What is wrong with this mall?
Guys, are we actually doing progress on finding tools to get Mario?
There's something wrong with this mall. I don't even know. I've been
Oh my
working here for
goodness, it's
about an
Ragazzo
hour.
from the hit show, The Amazing Digital.
Ladies first! I just haven't found a big black man on the street.
Hey, I got kicked out by Oscar. Apparently,
I'm doors
that
locked.
money
I
from
totally
Nerf
didn't
wasn't
buy
working.
any maid outfits, by the way. Just saying, I totally
you
don't have any maid
serious?
outfits.
Meanwhile.
Attention all aliens, the boss is coming.
No.
boss is coming.
Blorp, quite frankly, we must kill all the humans.
Alright. Who made Trump a boss, president, whatever?
Goddamn, I hate those Mexicans. Also, I made myself leader. Also, we gotta go kill this big fat red Italian. He keeps missing. Yes,
Glorp,
you.
What about that Mexican glorp named Swag? Glorp.
Oh, the illegal man. Yes, we should go ahead and deport him. Everybody, get to work. Go get to work. Quite frankly.
Meanwhile.
Oh my god, bro.
Can you shut the door, Sean, real quick?
Oh my god. Why did it have to be her? Maria!
I'm tired.
Huh?
Holy tits! Aliens!
Hello, all you nasty humans. I'm here for your big fat red Italian, quite frankly.
What do you say?
Oh.
Good fucking question. I don't know.
I'm taking your fat Italian. Bye.
Oh, hell no. Ugh, leave him alone!
Help you out of that fridge. I don't really know how to, like this. Come on. Get off the fridge.
Oh.
There we go.
I'm illegal.
You're welcome, young Italian.
Oh, hello, guys.
Bye.
Give me a handshake.
I voted for you.
Thank you. I did
minute.
great.
Wait a minute.
Does he become
You look
American?
different.
Yes.
Are you illegal?
Maybe. We don't go
Get down!
with it.